Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw human build from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw the top of his head with a half circle line. And at the side of that, curve line downwards and inwards on both the left and right. And below that, I'm going to draw a curve line across from the left to the right side of his head. Extend it slightly out at the side. Turn up and turn it back to the side of his head at the upper corner. Mirror that same set of line on the right side of his head. And at the side of that whole thing, a short line downwards and diagonally in on both the left and right. Turn it across to the right and slightly downwards with a curved line. Turn upwards at the inner corner of his eye. Mirror that same set of line on the right side. In the middle of his glasses, a short line across at that corner. Above the glasses, I'm going to draw his eye from the inner corner off center to the left, curved line diagonally up to the left, turn downwards at the outer corner on the left. Repeat that same curved line again above the eye, right there. And inside of his eye, I'm going to draw a small circular shape at the upper corner. And at the outer corner of that circular shape, I'm gonna fill in that space with black color. Mirror the whole eye shape on the right side. Below the glasses, I'm gonna draw on the left corner, diagonal line downwards to the right and to the side of his chin. Curve line across on his chin to the right. Mirror that same diagonal line on the right side of his face. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw his mouth at the lower point with curve line across from the left corner to the right. Below that, a short curve line across in the middle point for his lower lips. Below his head, I'm going to draw his neck on the left with curved line downwards at the side of his chin and another one on the right side of his chin. Curved line across for the top of his collar to the middle of his neck and slightly down. Mirror that same curved line on the left side. At the ending point of those curved lines, turn it downwards and flare it up. Curve line downwards at that corner, turn it diagonally inwards to the right, and on the right side I'm going to draw a similar line. Extend it diagonally down to the left from that point. Turn it downwards and flare it to the right. And below his neck in the middle point, an upside down V shape at that corner. Turn it across to the side and slightly up on both the left and right. And at the inner corner of that set of line, diagonal line to the middle point and downwards on both the left and right. A small arch curve line from the left ending point to the right. From both sides, a line downwards and flare it slightly out. And at the outer corner of that whole thing, from the side of his collar, diagonal line downwards to the outer corner, turn it downwards, sideways to the right, sharp turn diagonally down to the left, turn it diagonally down to the right. Repeat that same set of line again on the right side. Extend it diagonally down to the left at that corner. And below that ending point, I'm going to draw a small circular shape for the button of his suit. On the right side of that whole thing, I'm going to draw at the outer corner on the right, a line across at that point, short line down, across to the left. At the outer corner of his collar, at the upper point, curved line outwards and slightly down. Semi-turn diagonally down to the left, and below his elbow point, another curved line downwards, flare it slightly out and turn it downwards. Curved line across to the right. Turn it back diagonally upwards at the inner corner of his arm, flare it slightly out and turn it back inwards to his elbow point, and above that ending point, diagonal line upwards to the right. From the outer corner of his shoulder, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards to the right, turn it downwards and inwards to his waist. And below his waist, I'm going to flare it back diagonally out to the left right there. And at the lower point of his suit, curved line across to the right and slightly down. Turn it diagonally upwards to the right at that corner. Below the arm, I'm going to draw a line downwards on both the left and right side. Curved line across from the left to the right. And below that, I'm going to draw his hand with curved line downwards at the inner corner. Flare it out to the right. Turn it downwards. Semi-turn to the left. Turn it back up. Sideways to the left. Turn it diagonally down to the left. Turn it downwards to the right. Semi-turn to the left. Turn it diagonally upwards to the left. Turn it upwards at that corner. On the left side of that arm, a short line out to the left at that corner. Turn it upwards and slightly to the right. Turn it diagonally upwards to the right and to the outer corner of his wrist. Mirror the whole thing on the right side of his outfit. Below his suit in the middle point, I'm going to draw a curved line across at that corner. Below that line, off center to the left, curved line diagonally downwards at the inner corner of his left leg, slightly to the left. And below his knee pad, another curved line downwards and flare it slightly out to the right, turn it back inwards to the left. Flare it back out on his ankle point and turn it downwards. Now for the outer line of his leg, below his suit on the left, curved line downwards, slightly to the right and to his knee point. Below his knee point, another curved line downwards and flare it slightly out. Turn it back inwards to the right, flare it back out above his ankle point and turn it downwards. Curved line across from the ending point on the left to the ending point on the right. Below his pants, I'm going to draw a short line downwards on both the left and right side. And below that on the right, curved line across to the left, stretch it down and turn it back up. Curved line across to the left and slightly up. Curved line diagonally downwards to the left at that corner. Extend it further out to the left. Semi-turn downwards at the tip of his shoe. Curved line across to the right. Turn it diagonally up in the middle of his shoe right there. Short line downwards. Across to the right. Turn it upwards. Turn it diagonally inwards to the left and to his ankle point. Inside of his shoe at the lower left corner, curved line across to the right. Turn it diagonally up in the middle point. Curved line across to the right. Mirror the whole leg shape for the right leg. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!